Health and fitness good. Curry chicken recipe. Ingredients: 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 1 onion, chopped, 1 tomato, chopped, 1 garlic clove, chopped, 2 tablespoons Jamaican-style curry powder, 2 slices habanero pepper, optional, 1/4 teaspoon ground thyme, 2 skinless, boneless chicken breast halves, cut into 1½ inch pieces, 1 cup water, 1/2 teaspoon salt, or to taste. Directions: 1. Step 1. Heat vegetable oil in a skillet over medium-high heat, cook and stir onion, tomato, garlic, curry powder, habanero pepper, and thyme until onion is golden, about 7 minutes. Stir in chicken and cook until chicken is lightly browned, about 5 minutes. 2. Step 2. Pour water into the skillet, reduce heat to low, cover and simmer until chicken is no longer pink at the center, about 30 minutes. Season with salt. Subscribe to the channel. Click the link below the description for more details.